So the first instance was, it was through mutual friends. So we were just sitting in a coffee shop. Then I liked her. She used to have a lot of fan following. Yes, I just liked her first. Then I was like, she's like, you know, proper that girl who has that attitude and all, because she has a lot of fan following and all. Then I started texting her. Then I used to be in flights. I used to text her in the morning.
Then he when I got started, I started with feelings, then he was showing little attitude, you know. When I used to text him in the morning, he used to reply back to me at the evening. So I was like, what the fuck is this guy doing? I didn't know. I was like, I used to show attitude to all other guys. Now he's showing me the attitude. I was like, okay, let me see. Then he started, then slowly it started. Like he started coming to Hyderabad, luckily.
I used to fly to Hyderabad. Then whenever I fly, I used to come to her, meet her. We used to have a good time. We used to have good food, eat good. And slowly, that's how we started developing feelings for each other. And at one point
I used to
in
wait
Bangalore,
for his reply, actually.
yeah.
I used to wait for his reply. You know, I was excited, like to get his reply, like what will be his reply and all.
माझी मंगळा त्या पहियाच्या डान्स करेगी मुंडे ती सोनी बापी
మా తాత ఇంటి పేరు ఏంటి? మళ్ళీ ఫాదర్ పేరు ఏంటి? నేను రేపు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తాను?
Long ago,
He was big and strong, in his eyes a flaming glow.
most people look at him with terror and with fear.
But to Moscow chicks, he was such a lovely dear. He could preach the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasy and fire. But he also was the kind of teacher women both desire. Rah, Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. There was a cat that really was gone. Rah, Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. It was a shame how he carried on.
Of course, see, the way we meet is once in a year we go out for trip. And it's when we are done with our
अच्छा
work.
मुझे अभी समझ में आया आप सब ट्रिप जाने वाले फ्रेंड्स हो ताकि एवरी सेकंड को एंजॉय करते हो
Yes.
किसी से
On point.
Just gotta go, declared his enemies.
But the ladies beg, don't you try to do it, please.
Now this Rasputin had lots words of hidden charms.
So he was a bruise, they just fell into his arms.
You're almost right, but exactly lines.
गाना टोन से
तुम ना होते
और जीने की चाहत न होती अगर तुम ना होते अगर तुम ना होते
Absolutely right.
Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. They didn't quit, they wanted his head. Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. And so they shot him till he was dead.
Oh,
As soon as I saw you, like when I first met him, I was full of his attitude, okay? Even if he used to smoke, I was like, yeah, you know, I used to make a sort of attitude, okay? But he was like very calm and composed. So I wanna I wanna use this chance and again I want to propose him. So will you be my forever love? I love you so much. Thank you for taking care of me. I really love you so much. I don't think I can never get a man like you. I'm like really lucky in the world to get a man like you. For me, that actually like a person like you in my life, that's a big thing for me. Thank you so much for always being with me. Even if I get irritated, he doesn't get angry. I'm the only one who gets angry. Thank you so much for being with me. I love you so much.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఐ వాజ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ ధరన్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ కానీ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనేది ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అనేది ఇట్ ఈస్ అ మిస్టరీ ఎవ్రీబడి హ్యాస్ గాట్ దేర్ ఓన్ స్టోరీ సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు రివీల్ ద యాక్చువల్ వన్ ఓకే సో ఫ్రమ్ జనరల్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్గా చెప్తాను దే హ్యావ్ మెట్ త్రూ ఎ మ్యూచువల్ ఫ్రెండ్ అండ్ దే ఫాలన్ ఇన్ లవ్ దాని తర్వాత రెస్ట్ ఇస్ హిస్టరీ అంటే తేజస్విని హ్యాస్ ప్రపోజ్ ధరన్ అండ్ ధరన్ హ్యాస్ సో అలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఇంకా డీటెయిల్స్లో వెళ్తే కొంచెం చాలా టైం పడుతుంది కానీ బట్ యా దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ద స్టోరీ ఇస్ ఆన్ హై లెవెల్
whole of the story was like చాలా బాగుంది. ఒక పాయింట్ వచ్చింది, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ మీ టు బీ వెరీ ఆనెస్ట్, ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇంకా అయిపోయింది అన్న పాయింట్కి వచ్చింది. బట్ దెన్ దే బోత్ స్టూడ్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్. తేజస్వి చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్గా నిల్చుంది, ఈవెన్ ధరన్ వాజ్ ఆల్సో స్ట్రాంగ్. ఇద్దరు నిల్చొని ఈరోజు ఇక్కడి వరకు వచ్చిందంటే దే బోత్ మేడ్ ఇట్. నో బడీ వాజ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్, నో బడీ, ఓన్లీ వాళ్ళిద్దరే. దే బోత్ స్టూడ్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్. లేదంటే ఇక్కడి వరకు ఉండదు. దట్ ఐ కెన్ సే. All I can say is that, you know, I am really happy for them, both of them. Like yesterday they both were dancing. Okay, I had a moment. Enduko I don't know why, because whole of the relationship నేను చూసాను. లేదా యూనో ఈ రోజుల్లోని ఒక రిలేషన్షిప్ పెళ్లి వరకు రావడం ఇస్ అ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ థింగ్. సో అది పెళ్లి వరకు వచ్చిందను మేబీ, లేదా వాళ్ళిద్దరిని అంత హ్యాపీగా చూసో, యూనో ఐ హ్యాడ్ అ మూమెంట్, ఐ గాట్ టీయర్స్ ఇన్ మై ఐస్. సో that sums it up all. So I am very happy. I always want them to be happy, and that's it.
சிறு பேரை நானும் உன் பேரும் என் பேரும் தெரியாமலே உலகங்கள் தடை மாறுதேனோ வாய் பேசவே வாய்ப்பில்லையே வலி தீர வலி என்னவோ
Some tells me there's a good time coming. Just wait and see. You got to put a little faith in something. Might as well be with me. You feel it when the bass starts grooving. Go ahead and move your feet. Around here we ain't afraid of nothing. Dancing like no one sees. I feel free, so free. So free. I feel free, so free. So free.
Party means Dharan.
Dharan has to be in the party.
He has to be
The
there.
vibe, he brings the vibe.
His dance. Have you seen his dance? Yeah?
Yeah,
His dance is killer.
This ain't nothing here, oh hot damn. I can barely feel my body, but I still can't dance. There's no end to a party like the one we're at. So keep going till they tell us to leave. I feel free, so free, so free.
He's like, nobody can teach him.
He has to get something on.
Some trigger.
That could be anything. It could be a motivation to get married, with drinks, without drinks, anything. He would do that any day.
Me. Ooh, baby, make my body shake. Got the sun coming up and I'm wide awake. Tonight has been a long time coming. Now I can finally see. Everybody puts the faith in something. Might as well be with me. I feel free, so free, so free. I feel free, so free, so free.
Dharan is more romantic. Okay, కొంచెం extremely romantic Dharan. So he does all these cheesy things. For example, ఏదో his poems, he actually writes poems. So వాడి పోయంలన్నీ తెలుగు కవితలు చాలా చాలా చీజీగా ఉంటుంది. చందమామని చూసావా, ఆకాశం ఉంది, పికప్ లైన్స్, ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ పికప్ లైన్స్. బాబోయ్, నువ్వు నీ ముఖం మీద ఏంటుంది, ఏదో మచ్చ ఉంది, ఇలాంటివన్నీ సినిమాలో కొడతాడు మనోడు. ఆ మచ్చ ఏంటంటే అందం అంటాడు మనోడు. సో ఈ యూజెస్ a lot of cheesy lines and he's been using it from almost 15 years, more than 15 years now. So I've been seeing that.
ఓకే తేజస్విని, ఒక్క ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తావా? ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుని చూసుకుంటాను.
ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చేసాను, ఇంకివ్వను.
My first promise would be not a classic one, but only one promise. I would never let a tear from our eyes shut down. Kiss the floor.
Very
That
big
is
promise.
my first promise. My second promise will be she'll be always in the air. She'll be always in the air, all along with me, wherever I go. And my third promise is your smile will always remain with you, and I'll be with you until my last breath.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's it.
నా ఫేమస్ డైలాగ్స్ ఏంటి ఫస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్
ధరన్ చెప్తున్నాను కదా నన్ను వదిలే కొంతసేపు నాకు ఆకలిస్తుంది ధరన్, నాకు స్వీట్ కావాలి, నాకు స్వీట్ కావాలి, నాకు స్వీట్ వస్తేనే నా బొర పనిచేస్తుంది ధరన్. ప్లీజ్ ధరన్, ప్లీజ్, నా వల్ల కావట్లేదు, నేను పడుకుంటాను, నా మీద కళ్ళు లాగేస్తున్నాయి ధరన్, నాకు స్వీట్ కావాలి, నాకు స్వీట్ కావాలి, స్వీట్ క్రేవింగ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. దట్ ఈస్ అ స్టాండర్డ్ ఎవ్రీడే డైలాగ్, ఎవ్రీ సింగిల్ డే డైలాగ్.
లైక్ నాకు కోపం వచ్చినా బాధ వచ్చినా ఫస్ట్ ఫుడ్ పడాలి, నిద్ర కూడా టైంకి టైం నాకు నిద్ర రావాలి, లేకపోతే ధరని పిచ్చెక్కిస్తాను నేను. You're in diet, right? Can I be your cheat meal?
That was good. That was good. Yeah.
So when I first met him, like we both saw a spark in each other. So I want that till the end of our life. Like it doesn't matter. Like even if we have children or grandchildren, it doesn't matter. But we are still gonna be together. We'll enjoy like you know, when we look back when we are like first met, that moments I want to still carry till the end. We want to like be like this forever. Actually, yeah.
आँखें मिली तुमसे जो थी वो पल सी तुम सा है लाज़मी मेरी खुशी एहसास ये है जो नया जाने कैसे नजर ने तेरी निशाने हाथ दागे हैं सब कुछ नया सा है हर पल हंसी और नए से इरादे हैं किससे सुने थे जो हीरो और रांझा के सच वो अब लागे हैं जाने ये कैसे नजर ने तेरी निशाने याद आ गए हैं
నేను బాగా చూసుకుంటా.
நான் ரொம்ப காதலிக்கிறேன்.
చాలా ప్రేమిస్తారండి.
என்ன கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறியா?
నన్ను పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటావా?
Oh yeah, she got it.
I know.
मेरे भी हुआ है हाथों में जो
happy married life, Bernie, if you're seeing this.
He would see.
And may your love grow stronger, with each year passing, with lots and lots and lots of joy, happiness, and good cherished moments. Kaluddam, brother, after your Bali trip. There are actually too many to count, but to be honest, one is resilience towards their, that they have to get married by hook or crook, and that really motivated all of us to support them. And right from the very beginning, there were a lot of hurdles, and we know how that phase was. Each one of us were there with both Tejaswini and with Karan, but eventually, he's got married and rest is history. Chala grand ga wedding ate. We are all happy.
చిట్టి పెళ్ళం.
పెళ్ళి